Hi, my name is Kimika and I will going to present a periodic table of the element. In 1869, this periodic table is published by Dmitry Mendeleev, but it's actually discovered by scientists called Antonis Laurent de Lavoisier and John Newlands. So I'm going to explain how this table is organized. And first, this table has columns and rows. Columns, which is this uh, vertical lines, are called groups, and this include this hydrogen. These columns are called group 1, and these second columns are called group 2. And as you go, here's a small numbers, so this is group 3, this is group 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then 9, 10, 11, 12, and then go up to here 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and last one is group 18. So I will show an example. So here, this is a copper. So I will explain where copper located with groups and pyramids. So copper is located in. So first you can look at this small number, so which is 11. So the copper is located in group 11. And also there should be a period. So this is first period, and this is period 2, period 3, period 4. So this the copper is located this lows. So the copper is located in period 4. So the copper is located in group 11 of period 4. So next, I will explain metals and non-metals. So between no this when you look at this zigzag line, this left side are called metal, and this right side is called non-metal. And when you look at this zigzag line, there have silicons, or yeah, these non-metals are called metalloids. These metalloids are not metals, but it's like a metal, so it's located in here. Furthermore, as you can see, here is some colors on this period table, and also these colors has a meaning. So, first of all, this uh, green columns, which is group 1, is uh, showing alkali metals. Alkali metals are very reactive metals. And next is this column, which is a yellow, is showing, it's a little hard to see, but alkaline earth metal, which is somewhat reactive metal. And this 3 to 12, this blue part, blue column, blue tables are called transition metal. And also this light orange, these colors here are called halogen. And last one is group 18, is called noble gases. And I will explain why the hydrogen is dark orange, because it is not alkali metal or like alkaline earth metal or other kinds of metal, so which is a special one. So that means the hydrogen is doesn't put in any kinds of groups. So this hydrogen is just one that is the dark orange. And also, some people are wondering why this purple, right purple, is doesn't located in here, and also this is a purple color. So I will explain that. This purple is an element that is not occur naturally. So these elements are occur not by not naturally, like maybe human made. So that means this is not put it into here. So just locate it into, not into, like it's put in differently. So next I will going to explain this little boxes. So I will make this diagram smaller and then put it here. Make this bigger. Ta-da! I will explain this box with the example of the elements are called thallium. This box including many information, which is the atomic numbers, which is this thallium has 22 atomic numbers, and also the atomic number is the number of the proton in the nucleus of an atom, which is identifies the elements to which the atom belongs. So this is actually the number of the protons. So the thallium's atomic number is 22. And Ti is a symbol, and name is thallium, and the atomic mass is 47.9. The atomic mass is the whole volume of the atoms. So which means thallium has 47.9 volumes or masses. And look at this right side up top. There have like 4 plus or 3 plus. This is called ion charges. The ion charge is electrically charged particle created when atoms gain or lose electrons. So now I will going to explain some ion charges. So I will make this diagram or table bigger. There are elements that has 2 or more ion charges. It is called multivalent element, and they can form ion in more than one way depending on the chemical reaction they undergo. For example, there's iron or nickel or copper has like 2 charges. So that is the example of the multivalent element. And also the left side of the periodic table, there is a element that has negative charges. The reason why they have negative charges, which is because many non-metals also form ions. Non-metal atoms, with very few exceptions, gain electrons. They form negative ions, which is called anion. And also, furthermore, there's the group 18, which is noble gases, doesn't have any charges, which is like this one doesn't have any charges. They are all zero, and reason why they have zero ion charges, which is because it has already full charges, so it doesn't react with other elements, so it doesn't have any charges. So lastly, I forgot to explain what is the protons and electrons, so I will make this diagram smaller again. So first, this red dot showing the protons, and this blue dot are showing electron, and this yellow dot showing neutron. And here is a little diagram, and this diagram is the example, one of the example, which is the lithium, which is Li. I just draw a small diagram. And the protons, which is red dots, are subatomic particles that have a positive 1 electric charge. And this one, the yellow dot, which is nitroton, are subatomic particles that do not have an electric charges. So this yellow dot has no charges, and proton has positive charges, and this blue dot, which is the electrons, are subatomic particles that have a -1 charges, electric charges. So this is negative, this is positive, and this is non charges. So this middle of the atoms are formed by the protons and neutrons, and this the center part is called nucleus, and the electrons are flowing around the nucleus. And the nucleus, this N, it stands for neutron, and this is a, we can find this number from atomic mass subtract by the atomic number. The atomic number, as I said before, atomic number is same as protons, the number of the protons. But for the electrons, we have to identify the atoms or ions. For atoms, the protons and electrons are same number, same amount, but for the ions, the proton and electrons are not same.